In this video, we'll walk you through the new homepage in BigPicture, a central entry point designed to help you quickly access your work, track progress, and navigate your most important areas. Let's start with the top bar. Here, you can quickly create a new BigPicture box to serve as a container for your Jira spaces. You can also import Jira spaces together with their work items and start managing them right away. Click Create Objectives, and you'll be redirected to the OKR module, where you can create and manage your objectives and key results. Finally, the Customize button allows you to tailor the homepage to your needs. You can enable or disable sections, such as Recent and Reports, so the homepage displays only the information that matters most to you. You can now pin your most visited modules to the top navigation bar. This allows you to jump directly to the views you use most often, reducing navigation time and helping you stay focused on your workflow. The Recent section displays a list of the boxes you've opened most recently. This makes it easy to quickly return to ongoing work without searching or browsing through the full list of boxes. Below the Recent section, you'll find 3 built-in reports: Project Health, Boxes by Status, and OKRs by Status. The Project Health report visualizes overall project health using the red, amber, green system. Green means everything is on track. Amber indicates risks or areas that need attention. Red highlights critical issues that require immediate action. You can also click the cog icon to customize the report settings. The Boxes by Status report shows how many boxes are in each status, along with their percentage distribution. The OKRs by Status report works in a similar way, presenting the number of OKRs in each status and their overall distribution. Each report allows you to add a public note, making it easy to share context, highlight updates, or communicate insights directly on the homepage. You can refresh the data at any time. Zoom in to focus on specific details, or switch to a table view for a different perspective. Finally, at the bottom of the homepage, you'll find the Boxes section. You can filter them by all, starred, or assigned to you, making it easier to focus on the boxes that matter most. Inline editing is disabled in this view, but you can open the More Actions menu next to a box to access additional options. That's all. Now you know how to use the new BigPicture homepage to quickly access your boxes, monitor progress, and navigate the areas that matter most to you.